about it. Go your way, I'll be okay. It's just my woman's intuition. I had a slight suspicion that you were leaving me. My crazy woman's intuition, some kind of premonition of what we're meant to be. Bye bye love, bye bye love. Soon you're gonna find you'd like to change your mind and start again. But once the last goodbyes are spoken, I'll call the guy to mend my broken